don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavez TV. It's the Patriot Premiership. Orlando Pirates 3, Kaizer Chiefs 0. I'm joined by Chwaka Parks.
Kaizer Pirates. Kaizer Norem. Kaizer Police. Makop. Pirates.
Ya Semyam, İşugu Savar. Ya Semyam, İşugu Savar.
Kaizer Pirates.
Ya Semyam, İşugu Savar.
So man,
about the game, what do you feel about the game?
happiness is hospital. Happiness is hospital. Asizwe zifela ngokwezigulo kodwa sobulawa happiness. Happiness is hospital. Stibos. Ngithi nje mangifika kuma fans wethu. Ngibonge iattendance ye sold out. Idabi they are always rock.
Yeah.
Angiphinde futhi without favor or without fear or favor.
Yeah.
La si support Paris. Lana sinenge massive asebenzi kwa Paris. La kusemqoka ukuthi mawumlandeli press ama feelings wakho to build i leadership ye Paris, to build ukhosha we Paris, to build ukhoza himself, to build umpumi himself. Uma ungakhuluma amaqiniso uzoba pushele wena.
Yes.
That's why sithe iParis esifunayo iParis enalama players a represent a national team.
Yes.
Uma uzobhentsha ama players a represent a national team should wena uyi team uba kick out of safuni ba represent a team national.
Ngiyakubamba che.
Uma uba bhentsha labo badlali shokuthi wena ubabulala wena ngokwakho.
Varshe.
Uprumo uhamba uattenda each and every game ukuthi abheke abalance ama players wakuthi la be continue ngawo is it still okay or not, but mazafika egemini afika abadlali bekumalandini what message to send ku national coach? Yeah? What your message to send to national coach? You kill your players yourself. Yes. Umbata wenze namhlanje
Quality.
umakhopa wenze namhlanje abalande beParis babe complain abethi sicela ukubona umbatha ku starting lineup, sicela ukubona umakhopa ku starting lineup, sicela ukubona umbuli bengasho kwabehlanya lekhaya.
Varshe.
I-support uyithole ekhaya than ukuthi uyithole ngaphandle.
Varshe.
That's why thema siya kwi-AFCON abalandeli ama opposition athi the AFCON iluzwe iPirates ayiluzwanga national team because of ama players abekade emo bokwe Paris. Mari mawusubuya wena yababhentsha uyababulala. What message do you send out kuma players?
It's a bad message.
What message do you send out kumdlali o represent a national team ukurepresenta kwakhe national team uhambisa igama le Paris phambili? Namhlanje uBruno bekhona. Umbonile utalent embathi. Udlalile nathi utalent embathi usenze saba happy. Usinikeze 100 of 10 out of 10. 100%.
Exactly.
Umakhopa uthole a small time. But lesa sikhathi sakhe esincane. Wenze sure ukuthi approve uBruno mambonile ukuthi that little chance I have I managed to score. If the squad labo makhopa esikhuluma ngabo labo mbatha esikhuluma ngabo bebekhona ku Sundowns ngabe namhlanje sikuphi? without fear or favor. Pirates angifanga CV kuyi-support.
Sure.
Ngithanda deep down.
Yeah.
Angizwi ukuthi mangi-analyzer ngimisleade i-management ye-Pirates.
Yeah.
Ngimisleade uKhoza. Kumele uKhoza ayizwe into mayiqathanisa abalandeli ukuthi labalandeli bayayazi i-history yeteam yabo. Labalandeli bayayazi into yabo. You can't fail i-team othathe MTN 8 wathatha i-Carling Cup yakuthatha nama-players akubeka kwi-position ebetter ukuchallenge i-Sundowns Betway. Suddenly sokushintsha yonke into.
Yeah.
But uthi uchallenge Betway.
Yeah.
How come? Ungachallenge Betway uma uzofixa imoto ephilayo ufaka amabhodo amasha emotweni ehlala iphilayo.
Hayi.
Lana sifuna ama-senior player enza umsebenzi wawo.
Yes.
Uyabona nto basekumane kubukiswa ngathi i-Sundowns kuthiwa i-Sundowns manje izothatha i-Betway 9 times in a row. I-Pirates ikhona i-big team. Today we're going to praise another team ukuthi please do us a favor idlani i-Sundowns. I-Sundowns yehlule thina.
Shayi Sundowns.
No man, kumele sicatshangelwe sabalandeli.
Ngiyakuthola, Chairman.
Mawudlalisa amakhadi wakho la i-network ayibambe.
Ngiyakuthola Chairman.
Ungabuild uphinde udestroy.
Ngiyakuthola Chairman.
Lento yenziwe management ye-Pirates no-coach baye babuild abaphinde badestroy. Uyabona khona manje sesithandaza abosikhukhuni yini abosikhukhuni ukuthi basibambele i-Sundowns. Sesihamba nesithandazana nabomazulu ukuthi basibambele i-Sundowns. Uyabona into sesiyithandaza uba sesihamba menemene.
Yes.
Uba ukuthi abomahopa nabombatha nabombuli bebengenile esihlane Sundowns kabe namhlanje sikhuluma enye into right.
Yes.
But sisibulale thina. Anyway, ama mistake esiwana bubani.
Yes Chairman.
Kodwa ekugcineni i-management yethu ayiqaphele. That fake injuries is proven namhlanje ukuthi lo mbatha bebethi nama-injury bengekho injury. Lo mahopa bebethi nama-injury bengekho injury. That was called fake injuries. Yiyo lesibulalela. I-team yethu ayibekwe i-serious business. Ukuze i-Sundowns ingamoni dominate i-Betway. Siwathathile ama-cup siyafuna ukuklema i-Betway manje. Fair.
Yeah.
Not ukuthi sicela imithandazo ebhedala sithi lama-team azathanda i-Sundowns. Osikhukhuni abathi i-Sundowns. Khona manje ungayitrust isikhukhuni uma ingadliwa 10-0 kusasa. Usuthandazile wena manje uthi ucela isikhukhuni sidle i-Sundowns.
Owesimthanda.
Elandela igame ye-Sundowns. Ilandela after isikhukhuni idlala nani i-Sundowns.
Angahazi.
Wonke lama-team azahlana azonike. Idlane i-Arrows. Can you imagine? Uzothemba uma nqoba mnqithu ukuthi akakushayele i-Arrows.
Sundowns.
I-Sundowns. Uzoyibribe. Lezokusebenza imali manje. Ungaphela usekhaya umuntu ubhekene nokuza the end what? This time ungasenzi lento asenza wona. Athole i-brown envelope.
Yeah.
Ungasatrust manje ama-team azodlala ne-Sundowns. Wonke azothola ama-brown envelope. Siluze kanjalo i-Betway. Because azange sibe neqiniso.
Iyadla emnyama.
Idludla wa.
Iyadla emnyama. Iyadla ukudla wa.
Iyadla emnyama.
Iyadla emnyama. Idla ukudla wa.
Iyadla emnyama.
Iyadla emnyama. Idla ukudla wa.
Iyadla emnyama.
Iyadla emnyama.
Idla ukudla wa.
Iyadla emnyama.
Iyadla emnyama. Idla ukudla wa.
Iyadla emnyama.
Iyadla emnyama. Idla ukudla wa.
Owadla umrem.
Wadla umrem. Udla ukudla wa.
Wadla umrem.
Wadla umrem. Udla ukudla wa.
Chairman, it was a friendly match, Chairman. Friendly match. It was a session. Training session.
Ake ngithi kwi-Kaizer Chiefs no ungakayivali. I-Kaizer Chiefs lapho imoshe khona. Idlale ngomsamo. Akudlalwa ngomsamo. Umsamo unikezwe nobubani ukuthi ayoshunqa impela. I-Chiefs idlale ngomsamo yanikeza i-Sundowns i-changing room yabo. Sundowns yasebenzisa indayela. Manje kunzima ukuphuma indayela lapha kumsamo we-Chiefs. Isicelo sisenze la FNB.
Sibashayile.
Ngobani score?
2-1.
2-1. Namhlanje iPirates yenze la FNB. Ngobani score? Uyabona basiyakhuphuka iscore. Unobasahla. Ngobani iChiefs yenze iphutha?
Umsamo.
Idlale ngomsamo. Ngoba iavoid iPirates. Ukuthi inikeze iPirates umsamo wayo. Anyway, Sipho angibonge kubalandeli bonke bezemidlalo ngilandela abalandeli bePirates abaphume all out ukuzokweseka iPirates yabo. Bese ngithi uKhethleni Makhawula isikhahlakhehle
Sure.
bathi ubani intshebe
Khehle zamntwana.
isikhahlakhehle
Yes, yeah.
isikhahlakhehle
Yes, yeah.
into evula ifridge ingasebenzi
umsebenzi wakhe muhle
thina singabahlalela
ubonile ibhalansi yabo benombatha namhlanje
High quality, Chairman.
that's why ke iships even yapopana okugcina this is my man of the match.
Thank you, Chairman.
Love you all my foot.
Thank you, Chairman.
Yeah, for free.
word of the day
Always.
I'll never charge cause anything. Once and always.
word of the day angisazi isuthu ngempela manje namhlanje ngizizwa ngibathungu namhlanje
Yawutwa yawutwa makema
Bruce Vuma kajeno bamlahletse Shakeng ya Ditau
uvumile uvuma
Kingizwa